Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to back up Windows credentials on Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search options. Here we will write CRE. See, the option has been here from the control panel. Click here. So we wanna do the backup. So Windows credentials, we have to click now backup credentials. Click here. So here backup to, that means where we want to keep the backup file or backup system. So here we'll click here. So we wanna do the desktop things, and here click and we write the credential or something else. So now we'll do the save button. Now click the next. Now we have to press the Ctrl Alt D. So if we press the Ctrl Alt Del, now the thing has been clear here. So press the any kinds of password, then I will press 123, next 123. Now I will click the next button. See, the backup was successful. So if you save the backup file on removable media, remove it and store it in safe location. So now we'll click this. Now we will check where the file has been created. See, desktop options here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.